All right, let's try multiplying numbers now. So we got a nice word problem. The world population is 7 billion. There are 4.6 times 10 to the 7 ants for every human. So there's a lot of ants for every person. How many ants are there? So if this is how many are for one, then we've got to multiply by 7 billion. So let's try it over here. 7 billion is 7 times 10 to the 9th power, and we're multiplying 4 times 6 times 10 to the 7th power. We are using the commutative property. So let me get my face out of the way. Commutative property lets us move around numbers that are being multiplied. It's really a combination of commutative property and the associative property, but I can take the 7 and this 4.6 and move them next to each other because I know how to multiply those numbers. And I can multiply 10 times 10 to the power of 9 times 10 to the 7th because I know how to multiply exponents with the same base. So now I put 7 times 4.6 in my calculator or do it by hand, and I get 32.2. 10 to the 9th times 10 to the 7th, 9 plus 7 is 16, so that's 32.2 times 10 to the 16th. But I want it in scientific notation, so I'm going to take this decimal spot and move it one place to the left, so that would be multiplying by 10 to the 1. I'm going to put these together, 10 to the 1th power times 10 to the 16th is 10 to the 7th power. So there are 3.22 times 10 to the 17 ants for every single person in the world. That's a lot of ants. Oops.